If you want to really stand out to a prospect, send them an impact box. Perhaps you send it to them before a sales meeting or just after a sales meeting along with your proposal. And it's a box of things. Some of there's stuff in there like your book that you've written and your IT services buyer's guide, but there's goodies as well. In fact, let's ask the crew for some suggestions. Crew, what goodies would you throw in an impact box?
Candy bars.
Candy bars, very good, yes.
Cookies.
You put loads of cool stuff in there, things that as they're looking through it, they're thinking, wow. Perhaps you put some personalized merch in there as well with your name on. Yeah, I'm just like a YouTuber. I said merch. The most important thing when you send your impact box is there must be some kind of document in there with your face on. Why your face? Because that's the thing that they associate with your business. They never remember what the business is called. They haven't got a clue what your logo looks like, but they remember your lovely face and how it made them feel when you sat down to talk to them about their business. Slap your face on the impact box. Make sure that you and your MSP get the emotional benefit of you spending the money and time on an impact box. You got to the end of my video. You win a prize. And the prize is the chance to watch more of my videos. Click one of these for more super speedy marketing tips for your MSP.